case you're wondering why I don't use a mat in this room, it's because there's a tarp on top of thick carpet. It's comfortable. Making some coffee. Spread it on. Holy shit, back from a 4.4 mile run all the way up to where I get cell service. Well, I get 1x. Anyway, I'm back. I'm gonna upload a new video and then we'll get to editing this stuff.
You're almost out of battery.
The dreams I have here at night, I don't really know where they're coming from, you know? It's like this place just has this vibration. I don't know. It's, something's different here in this area, this space, this place. Something's different. I don't know what it is. It's making me have weird thoughts.